Hello everyone, and welcome to this update video on the SAP Analytics Cloud quarterly release cycle of May 2022. My name is Lucas van Dam. I'm Senior Consultant at CPMView and specialized in SAP Analytics Cloud.
And my name is Otger, and I'm a Junior Consultant for CPMView. And today we will give you an update regarding the most important feature updates that will be available in SAC from May 23rd, and what this means to your own SAC planning processes. It is a rather large update, which brings some much awaited improvements, especially for planning. And we will go over some of the most important topics of our clients. Topic 1, flexible modeling in the time dimension. Topic 2, improvements in time calculations and variances. Topic 3, disaggregation, respecting data logs. Topic 4, measure input controls in application data. Topic 5, fluid data entry. And topic 6, administration and service management. Our first topic is about weak granularity and flexible modeling in time dimensions. Before this update, the time dimension was quite static, which did not enable all companies to match their reporting requirements. And to show you some examples of this new flexibility, when we are in the date dimension, we can navigate to date settings. And there we can enable a week-based date pattern. And then in this drop-down menu, you can select the different patterns. What we can also do is change the setting from system managed to user managed. And which allows you to, for example, change the description of month Jan to, let's say, January. Another possibility is also to create your own hierarchies. And so in essence, this really offers a lot more flexibility in the time dimension.
Rutger, could you tell us what has changed in respect to the dynamic time calculations in stories?
Yes, definitely. So in the past, it was sometimes required to perform a number of extra calculations to display your data correctly, but this is not needed anymore. There's now a new way in which SAC performs time calculations by itself. But in existing models, you may need to turn this option on in model settings. This requires fewer development efforts and enables business users to improve their own reports.
Sounds great.
For data disaggregation, users have now more control in how they want to disaggregate their data. So when we go to your model preferences, you can go to planning, and there you can enable data disaggregation based on data locking. Now, what does this mean? Values entered on the parent level will only be disaggregated to unlocked children. This gives you more control over your data input in your planning process.
As you might know, application SAC gives developers more flexibility to enable certain actions and guide users through more complex planning processes. Most functionalities of stories have already been included in applications, but in this release, the possibility to use measure input controls has been added. By adding a calculation on a measure, on a restricted measure, you can select the dimension that you want to restrict the measure on, and by using the input control all the way at the bottom of this dropdown, you can select the values that you want to use, or you can also access these values by script. This provides the opportunity to develop reports and input schedules more efficiently by using fewer measures than previously needed. Our next topic is fluid data entry. Previously, users had to process their input data between every entry, sometimes causing tables to freeze and leading to longer waiting times. Now, at the bottom right of every table, you can select the fluid data entry mode. By selecting this, it allows you to enter data sequentially. So if you data, SAC will only recalculate the total, as we see up top, when you're done with your input. So this leads to a streamlined user experience and less time lost in entry of your data. Another new option for administrators is a new tab that has been added under System. This is the Performance tab. It gives you access to a benchmark tool, which allows administrators to have a look at the machine performance of a current user, how well JavaScript runs, but also some internet statistics to isolate a problem that the user might have. Furthermore, there's an analysis tool, what we currently see in the background, where you can analyze stories and applications that users have accessed to see what might cause an issue at certain users. There's also the statistical analysis, which allows you to view activity on the SAC platform as a whole. And there is a new story to analyze your data actions to see which actions run successful or which may take a while at certain users to overall increase the user experience of the platform and performance as a whole. We hope with this video you learned some more about the most important updates of this QRC release. If you want to know more about what this means to your current SAC implementation or how SAC can help you improve your planning processes, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.
Thank you.